It's the first time for me to join this kind of party. And I've been so excited to join all the activities that the organizers prepared for us. Between the activities that I experienced, the one that I liked the most was the one about the calligraphy. Okay, so I wrote Fu, which is the character stands for luck, wishing luck to all of you for the upcoming new year.
Today was wonderful and we enjoyed it a lot, and I saw a lot of friends here, and it's good to meet new friends and old friends. I wish everyone a prosperous new year and everything the best in the next 2025.